What I have here is a backflip MX4, approximately a year old. And you can see on here, the rubber's starting to change color. All the way along, that's due to UV rays. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to extend the life and restore your rubber seals that go around, all the way around on both sides and around on the front. The seal right here, okay? You're gonna use this product on every single rubber piece that you have on your car, and you will extend the life of it dramatically, okay? This product's been used on wiper blades, rubber seals, weather stripping, you name it. Now for the product you all been waiting for, 303 protected. Yeah, you got that. Show you the back. Made in the US. Makes it even more special, right? You're gonna take your 303, give it a couple of sprays on the tip of your finger, and you're gonna run it like this. You can put it on heavy the first coat. Make sure it adheres very good. It soaks in, and then you're gonna wipe it off because this stuff does not evaporate, okay? You're gonna go all the way up from the back to the front of your truck. Find a new spot. A couple more sprays. You can use this product on your tires, make them last longer, especially if you have RVs that sit in the sun and they don't move. So give this 303 a good coating on your tires, and you will prevent dry rot. Get another spot and keep soaking it in. Make sure everything is coated good. It's got that shiny film on it. Work your way back. Now you're gonna get a fresh, clean section of your rag and lightly just brush it off until it doesn't have that shiny, wet look. When it really dries, it'll turn back to the natural looking rubber. So as you can see, it's getting restored. No more dry spots in it. You're gonna do this on both sides of the cab, both sides of your bed, I should say. Get another clean spot. And go in. Next thing you're gonna wanna do is between your panels, your 3-section panels, you got a piece of rubber that goes down the middle. That's what causes it to roll over and have that mobility. You're gonna do the same thing going across the three panels. You got one panel here, you got one rubber here, one in the front. And then in front of the cab, you have your weather seal. You ain't gonna see that on video, but it's there, okay? So do the same thing as you did on this side here. Do it on the other side, and your 4 panels, your 4 rubber gasket, your rubber where it flexes. Get a clean spot on the rag, soak it up, and run it up and down your joints right here. Give it a couple more sprays. And you're gonna follow it all the way up the rib. And let it soak in good. Find you a clean section of the rag and lightly brush it in so you don't have that shiny wet look and you have that even drying look on it. Okay, it's not that hard to do this stuff. This stuff is amazing. I bought this for my father in his RV, sprayed his tires. He lives in Florida, and those tires look new, and they're not dry rotted like you would think from the summer heat down there. Open up each panel and get the back side of the rubber sealed, okay? Everything that's rubber you're gonna wanna do. And it won't hurt if you want, look down here, to get the rail. There's a rubber seal on here as well. So you're gonna get this rubber rail, the back of the gasket that goes along the front. You're gonna open up each panel and do everything rubber. You're gonna come around here and get the joint that's in the middle, this rubber gasket, and you're gonna hit that the same as I showed you on top. You're gonna do that for everything rubber and you'll be good to go. After you're done with all the rubber gaskets, crossbars and all that, you could spray some on here, on your side rails, and wipe it on and wipe it off. to prevent this from fading, because this stuff works on rubber, vinyls, plastics, you name it. It won't affect anything in any negative way. Like I said, you're gonna do that for all your rail right here, where this tonneau cover sits on top. All your black trim on the truck, as well as your tailgate plastic right here. You're gonna coat that stuff in the 303 and keep it from fading. Light coat is all you want on this stuff here, okay? That's all it takes. You're gonna do that for all your plastic trim going all around the sides. And if you want, you can spray it on the back fit cover as well. Any tonneau cover you have that has rubber gaskets, you're gonna use that. And you can spray it on the surface itself just to protect it, add a layer of protection, okay? Hope that video helped you. If it did, thumbs up, subscribe, share the word, okay? Questions, comments, leave them below. I'll get back to everyone. Take care, fellas.